Three dangerous words in English language. Guess what is that? Three dangerous words in English language. You know what? The three dangerous words in English language is I know that. And this is what stops people from growing forward. This is the three dangerous words in English language which is stopping you right now growing more or learning more in your life. Because many a times what happens is, usually people as they start growing, they start building their own plateaus, or they start becoming the bottleneck for their own success. So it is very important that you are aware about these three dangerous words in English language. Why? Because if you know this, then that's what is stopping you. So I know that. So people usually have this attitude or habit saying that, how about this? Yeah, I know that. How about this? Yeah, I know that. So this is how we are. So it's very important we are aware that there is much more to learn. So always there is a much more of possibility. I want to grow forward. If you have this attitude, then you have the possibility to grow forward. So let's consider the example. So because what happened is, there was a Chinese monk where he has a student for him, right? So he was coming there every single day to learn from the master, right? So when that was happening, so master said, right now what you're going to do is you go. So there were close to 200-300 steps that he has to come up to learn from the master in the monastery. So he was coming every single day, right? So but the first day when monk was there and the student arrived, so he asked the master, I want to learn something new. So then the master said, so today you go down and come back. Okay, that's what he said. So go down the 200 steps and come back. So he went through, go down the 200 steps, came back. So then he was like, master, I want to learn. Then he said, next day. So again master said, so go down and come back on the other day. So then he was like, okay, I will do that. So he was really enthusiastic in the day 1, day 2, day 3, right? So he was doing that, but day 4th, day 5, day 6, same thing started happening. So then he got frustrated. What am I doing? So I'm doing the same thing. I don't know why I'm doing all these things. So master might not be knowing what it has to be taught. Right? So he started thinking like that, and then one more day came with all frustration. Master, I want to know something. That's when master has prepared a nice coffee mug. Okay, so he had that coffee mug, and then so when he came with all silence, he started pouring coffee in that mug. So and then what started happening is the coffee starts filling it out, and then it starts spilling it out. So it starts coming out. So now what started happening is like the student who was watching that, master, what is it? Okay, then he said, look, so if the cup is full, what is happening? Everything is coming out, spilling out. So what is this in many of our cases this is like our mind. When your mind is full of something that you think that you know, then things are not going to be absorbed by you. You need to be like a sponge. What is the property of a sponge? The property of the sponge is to absorb, right? So you got to be like that and be open, right? Be open, and you should be always be ready to relearn. Okay, so relearning is nothing but emptying the cup. So relearning is nothing but emptying the cup and getting ready to replace something new. That's when you are ready. So that's when you have taken out that I know that. So the I know that is something that which is very limited. I don't know what is unlimited. So start focusing on what is that you don't know and start learning more. Be open. Parachute works only when the parachute is open, right? So when it is closed, it will not work. Similarly, your mind works when your mind is open and ready to learn. which is relearning, and that's when things starts happening for you. If you are having this attitude, start from today. Be like a sponge, start absorbing more and learn more. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.